What's I go on YouTube? Big up Jamaica. Me a little sister from the Rastafarian in Jamaica, and we say we want to see how you do YouTube. We want to see how you do YouTube. Me and Shanika wrote from episode 4. You too fool. And me say that me want to say that my mama, she's a deaf person. We had to talk to her 3 times and now she listens. So me say, Mama me hungry, Mama me hungry, Mama me hungry. She not listen to me. She not listen to me. And me say, check out the Glam Growth. TheGlamGirlz 2, number 2 on YouTube. And you have to go to AOL and you'll see the Glam Girls. And me see me 6 years old, you know. You have a tall sister who knows the Jamaican talk down pack, you see? Down pack, you see? Down pack. If she know the Jamaican stuff, she will be the best ever. Best Jamaican. So if you look at me sister, she can down pack. And every day we say, wow. We say, me sister, and we say to her, what a grand, me do everything we can for her. Me clap for her, me a Rastafarian. Alright, YouTube. So, you listen to me. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and do everything you can with We Jamaican. Just subscribe to We Jamaican. Big up Jamaica.